Coming to the NRVTA, it's been an amazing experience. It's given us the opportunity to really explore the United States while still making some great money.
I'm Steve Walters. This is my wife, Laurie Walters. We own Chasing the 70s. We came to the school here in December of last year. I was right before Christmas, took fundamentals, and then went on to take solar before the break. Then I came back after Christmas break and went on through the 5-week course. There's really good instructors here. Hands-on is amazing.
Yeah, it's just overall been a great experience. Our first month in business, we made between $10,000 and $12,000. We've stayed extremely busy. I think we were at 4 or 5 jobs a day when we were in Wyoming. We've been getting calls since we've gotten to Athens because of the locator, which has been fantastic. And then we have a great work lined up down further south of here for when we leave next week. We would recommend that anyone who would like to have some freedom in their life to come and take these classes, become a registered tech, a certified tech, an inspector, all great areas to work in the RV industry. They have fantastic programs down here, and it's like coming home to family.